We'd like to welcome you to the ISKO family.
I'm Lucy, and we're going to make a little lotus flower out of denim. First step is to thread your needle. Just going to put it straight through to the bottom. So you just attach each of these corners down to the bottom with your needle, but make sure that the undersides aren't sewn together. I'm going to pull each of these out like that so that it's more like a little flower. The next stage is attaching these little leaves into the middle there.